आज हम बिजनेस स्टैटिस्टिक्स ईयर 2019-20 रेगुलर बैक क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 भी सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. You note that your officers is happy on 60% of your calls, so you assign a probability of his being happy on your visit as 0.6, and you have noticed also that if he is happy, he acts to your request with a probability of 0.4, whereas if he is not happy, he acts to the request with a probability of 0.1. You call one day and he acts to your request. What is the probability of being happy? So आइए इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. So पहले हम लोग यहाँ पे लिख लेंगे let H stand for, that is officer is happy, and A stand for he or officer, that is accepts your request. So what is the probability of officer is happy? That is given 0.6, and the next one is the probability of he accepts your request, that is probability of H bar is given 0.4. So these two data are given in the questions. Now the probability of, that is A divided by H, that is given 0.4, and probability of A divided by H bar, that equals to 0.1. So now we have to find that is probability of he is being happy. So उसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे? So you can write according to Bayes theory of that is probability of his being happy equals to, that is probability of officer is happy into probability of H whole divided by probability of H, probability of A divided by H plus probability of H bar into probability of A divided by H bar. तो आइए इसमें सब डाटा डालते हैं. पीएच वैल्यू इज 0.6 into 0.4 whole divided by, that is 0.6 into 0.4 plus 0.4 into 0.1. So उसको अगर हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं, so your answer will be 0.24 whole divided by 0.24 plus 0.04, again 0.24 divided by 0.28, that equals to 0.857. So इसके नीचे हमको ये लिखना है the probability that he is happy given that he accepted your request is, that is probability of H divided by A equals to 0.857. So ये हो गया हमारा आंसर, that is probability of being he is being happy. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.